Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Detain. Detain means keep from proceeding. For example, she made to open the door, but he detained her. She made to open the door, but he detained her. Synonyms: delay, hold up, make late.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. As I say, I wasn't detained by the character's opinions. Now, repeat after me. As I say, I wasn't detained by the character's opinions. The second exemplar. They were briefly detained by police, then released without charge. Now, repeat after me. They were briefly detained by police, then released without charge. The third exemplar. A second suspected militant was also detained by Italian police, they said. Now, repeat after me. A second suspected militant was also detained by Italian police, they said.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
India has a higher English-speaking population than United Kingdom. Worldwide, India comes second only to the USA in its English-speaking population. The empire strikes back, and how?
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.